Good morning. Allow me to extend a warm welcome to the participants of the conference. Today, we shall deliberate a topic that's of utmost importance for Ukraine, and that is mental health. We suffered from the COVID-19 epidemic in Ukraine, and then the war came. And as a result of all that, we've seen an increase in the number of people who need help. So it's some 3.5 million people who require help and assistance in this era, and this number will be on the rise, not on the decline. In May 2022, the First Lady of Ukraine, Mrs. Olena Zelenska, opened a campaign. She started a campaign that is that basically is like how you're doing. So that's the title of it. So how are you doing? Meaning, how do you feel? What's your situation in life? And at present, I must say, we are addressing the need for a broader approach and broader access, rather, of citizens to mental health treatments. What we'd like to achieve is that the family doctors, and well, that's the system in the country, so that they can treat those diseases. Nearly 12,000 people. It's rather the GPs. These GPs already provide those services. And some 60,000 citizens last year turned to the GPs asking for help in this area. We established 33 mental health centers in clinical setup, so in hospitals and other healthcare facilities. And there is a nationwide information campaign ongoing regarding how society should behave to the war veterans returning from the front, striving to return to everyday life. And in the Parliament, I had the Mental Health Committee. And let me say that we introduced a program dedicated to mental health, and it's a countrywide program. We also presented a draft mental health bill. In this area, we closely cooperate with various organizations. Recently, there was a very interesting conference held. We collected great feedback from the participants. I believe that my colleague who will speak on one of the panels today's conference will further speak about those themes. In any case, in our committee, we shall study in great detail and analyze the feedback further and start from there. Unfortunately, Ukraine currently has many citizens who suffer from mental health issues. And when we look at The other problems that we struggle with, I dare say that there'll never be enough experts in this field. So I personally am in favor of medical cannabis, and I'm in favor of reasonable and monitored use of psychedelic substances. I am truly pleased that I can be here in the Czech Republic because you are a country that's really among the top countries in researching novel treatments in this field, and we highly appreciate the support that you provide to Ukraine. I would like to personally thank the President of the Senate of the Parliament of the Czech Republic, Mr. Miloš Vystrčil. I would also like to thank Mr. Roman Kraus, Chairman of the Health Committee of the Senate of the Parliament of the Czech Republic, for inviting us to this extremely useful and worthwhile conference, thanks to which we can get acquainted with the experience of the Czech Republic. I would like to especially thank here to the government of the Czech Republic for its help that it provides to the Ukraine. And I hear a lot of Czech language spoken here, and so thanks to all of you. And my thanks goes also to the President of the Czech Republic. We would indeed be grateful if also other EU member states would help as actively as the Czech Republic does. Ukrainians can indeed be grateful. Thank you very much for your attention.